God, turn from the left lane, or right lane rather. You're just gonna keep going? Hey, douche, do you see the fucking guy? I'm a Bobby girl in my house. Where are you going? Dude!
Let's go party.
Always like stock character, but John Goodman just seemed like a disturbed person. And
he seems to believe what he's saying.
Why was this on IMAX?
What?
Oh yeah, that's a fair point.
Oh my God, he's just sitting in the middle of the goddamn intersection.
You're fine.
And that's when she climbs out of
You're
the fallout
stupid.
Spoilers.
Well, we told us to climb.
Over the white line, there's no one ahead of you. There's no reason to do that. That's done by that forerunner. Oh my God, why didn't you go? Is he cutting the corner? Yeah, he's turning back onto the street. Yep, there he goes. Wow, I just saw that. Maybe you shouldn't go so fast. Don't turn on right up there. What are you doing? What the fuck? Both of yous. Bunch of massholes around here.
I knew it. I'm surrounded by assholes.
What the hell's that? That was bad, that Jeep up there. Fuck! I got this nigga's on feed. As soon as I said it, seems I got sweated by some nigga with a tech. Why are you stopping? It's green.
I'll make a phone call, my niggas coming like a god. We've been saying it since you're 5 years old. I didn't say it. I've never said it before. I've never said that. Do you know what it is? I've heard it. The lively spirit.
Tradition of 80 years where it hasn't happened, so we're looking at what they do. Yeah, it's probably not going to happen. And looking at these poles.
Wait, you're just gonna stop in the middle of the goddamn street? You're dumb. There's plenty of open parking in that parking lot over there. Oh, no, no, no. You're in my lane. Yeah, try eating an ice cream cone before you start driving. There's a Taco Bell. That bus was stupid. Bird! Whoa! Oh, shoot. Oh, I did it.
You done messed up, Aaron!
Yeah, no one stops. He's gonna keep going. Yep. It's a fight, and you're mine. Oh, come on. Stop rubbing your face and drive. Wow. Such geniuses in this town. And I would like to get to the left turn lane, if you don't mind.
We'll be there in just a while.
Taking that long to bear enough. Oh, that's stupid. Thought you were just gonna sit there. And that's a bad red light run. Every single time this song plays, shit always happens.
So I'm thinking college football, and I'm thinking NFL. Super Bowl's in Houston next year, right?
The bus is gonna turn run red. Wow. Another fucking bus.
Or an NFL game.
Whoa, what? That's a dumb one. What? And why are you stopping? There's no stop sign for you guys. Last second exit. He's even going for the right lane too. Wow. What the? Last second move over right Why? That's red. No. What the hell's that shit?
When it's dark, I get terrified. Seriously, when you let me inside, think I just saw a possum scare me. Please let
Yeah, there was no stop sign there. Hey, they got right away.
I choose you.
Hey, you gotta yield.